Why are you biting the coin?
I'm trying to make a Bitcoin. Oh, hi friends, how are you? Today, let's talk about Bitcoin. Yes, the most talked about currency these days. Are you ready? Let me start with some quick facts. Bitcoin was created by Satoshi Nakamoto, though nobody really knows who Satoshi Nakamoto is. Nobody knows. Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency and was first used in 2009. Bitcoin is a new kind of money. It is digital, which means there are no physical coins. Currently, it's the most popular digital currency in the world. Regular or normal currencies like dollars, euros, rupees are issued and controlled by the government. But Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, meaning it has no backing or control from central banks and governments. Bitcoin can be sent from one user to another without the need of banks in between. Bitcoin was released as open source software, which means its design is public. Nobody owns or controls it, and anyone can use it. All the transactions happen online and are secured and verified by computers through cryptography using the technology called blockchain. But how does one get Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. Not the regular type of mining done by miners. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. In Bitcoin mining, computers solve complex mathematical problems and get coins as rewards. But now, as many people are trying to mine Bitcoins, it has become increasingly difficult to mine new coins. You can also buy Bitcoins from Bitcoin Exchange. It is important to know that Bitcoin supply is not unlimited. Nakamoto set a policy at the beginning that the number of Bitcoins in the world could never exceed over 21 million. In 2010, the first known commercial transaction happened when a programmer bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. As per 2021 market value of Bitcoin, those pizzas would have been worth more than 550 million US dollars. Can you believe that? The world's most expensive pizza. Looks very delicious to me. How about you? The world's most expensive pizza. In 2011, 1 Bitcoin's price was just around 30 cents. But in early 2021, it crossed 55,000 US dollars. Can you believe that? It is too expensive, but you can also buy it in fractions depending on how much money you want to spend. Each Bitcoin is divided into 100 million Satoshis, named in homage to its creator. But friends, before buying, you must remember Bitcoin is a very high-risk investment. Like all other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin has no intrinsic value. The value of Bitcoin is dependent on market demand. Its value may rise or fall dramatically over a very short period of time. Hence, think twice before investing and keep exploring!